What's up, guys? It's Movie Hoarder here, back for another Blu-ray unboxing video. Now this is for one of the brand new 2020 DCEU movies. I forgot what number it is in the DCEU, but it is for Birds of Prey, the brand new 2020 DC movie, all about Harley Quinn. If you can see, it's all sparkly. It's a sparkly slipcover. Now, when I pre-ordered this, I just thought it was gonna be kind of like just a matte finished slipcover, but when I got it, it's all sparkly, so I'm happy. So, sparkly in the front cover, sparkly in the spine as well. And it's sparkly in the back too. Yep. And then it has all the same special features as the steelbook. So, but if you want to take a look at them again, okay. Take the spool. Gotta be gentle. Come on, there we go. Okay, so here it is, front cover, same as the slip cover, spine, then the back. Okay. Okay, so here's the Blu-ray disc, which is purple with Harley's signature. I'm sorry, this is the DVD, and then here's the Blu-ray, which is kind of lime green with Harley's signature. Okay. So yeah, guys, that was my quick unboxing of the standard Blu-ray DVD edition of Birds of Prey, out now. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I thank you, and also leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Batman villain and what's your favorite movie in the DCEU. Thank you.